In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert a string into a Python datetime. Now, the simple answer is the datetime module has an strptime function. And think string parse time. Now, they've got a set of documents over here, and this gives you a bunch of funny looking percent letter things that correspond to the different formats that it can recognize. You know, percent %B is local abbreviated month. The full month name is percent capital B. So you've got all your documentation here. Now let's take a simple one. September the 3rd, so that's a short form of the month. 2022, 1:44 a.m. So what we're going to do is we're going to do datetime.strptime, string parse time. We're going to pass in that string, and then we're going to put in the symbols that correspond to the format of the string. And so that's little b, little d, capital Y for year, capital I, and that's for a 12-hour format, capital M for the minute, you've got a colon in between, and then lowercase p for the AM, PM symbol. And sure enough, if you do that and you print out a representation of that, it shows you it's that date corresponding to the string that you put in. Now, what if the format varies? And I ran into this, and it's a super big pain because, you know, you start with a try, catch, and then the accept, you try another way, and oh, but then there's a third one and a fourth one, and you end up with all these indentations across there, very ugly, and you have to do it every time you deal with a date. So I wrote a very simple function, parse date, and I created a list of the different formats that I was running into in the project. And then I loop over those formats, and I try to parse that particular date. If I'm able to parse it, that means I'm done. I found it. I break, and then I return the date parsed. And if not, I go to the next one. And I set a default of none so that I know if none of them worked. So that's it. That's my tip for handling a variety of formats in a way that's clean and you're able to maintain it. Please hit subscribe to the channel if you hadn't. Smash that like button below so more people can see this video, and I'll see you in the next one.